Pancakes, anyone? A delightful stack of golden goodness ready to be devoured. Settle in and grab a seat. We've got a comfy spot just for you at our crypto kitchen table. Ever tried to understand cryptocurrency? It can feel like navigating a maze, can't it? It's like assembling furniture with instructions in a foreign language. Confusing, right? You're left scratching your head wondering where to even begin. All those big words, blockchain, decentralization, concepts that seem complex and out of reach. Mining. It's a whole new vocabulary to learn. Sounds intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. We're here to make it easy and fun. Today we're breaking it down with something everyone loves: pancakes. A treat that brings joy to all. Pancakes are universal. Breakfast, dinner, midnight snack. They're always a good idea any time of day. Top them with syrup, fruit, or whipped cream, no judgment. Customize them however you like. We'll use pancakes to explain one of crypto's trickiest concepts, the fork. It's a fundamental concept that shapes the future of digital currencies. Not the utensil, a fork is a big moment in the crypto world. It signifies a significant shift. Imagine the crypto world as one giant kitchen, a bustling hub of activity, everyone making pancakes together from the same recipe. A collaborative effort to create something delicious. That recipe is the protocol, the rules everyone follows for perfect pancakes. It's the foundation upon which everything is built. But what if someone wants to tweak the recipe? Add vanilla, go gluten-free, what happens then? Suddenly not everyone agrees. The kitchen is divided. That's a fork, a disagreement that leads to a change in the rules, a divergence in the path forward. Just like with pancakes, a fork can create new, interesting versions. New flavors and possibilities emerge. So let's get our aprons on and start cooking up some crypto knowledge. It's time to dive in and learn. Let's talk recipes and forks. We're not just talking about the utensil you use to eat, but something a little more complex. In crypto, a fork isn't for eating pancakes. It's a concept that's fundamental to how cryptocurrencies evolve. It's for changing them. It's about adapting and improving the underlying technology. A fork is a split in the road, a point where a decision leads to different outcomes. It represents an update to the software or recipe that a cryptocurrency runs on. It's a modification to the rules of the game. Think of Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. It has a master recipe, a set of protocols that govern how it operates. All the chefs follow. Everyone using the network adheres to these rules. Sometimes the community decides the recipe needs an upgrade, a tweak to improve performance or add new features. Maybe pancakes are too small or slow to cook. Perhaps there's a desire for a fluffier texture. When the community agrees to change, that's a collective decision to evolve. The old rules and new rules diverge, creating two distinct paths forward. The blockchain, the public cookbook, splits into two paths, each with its own set of rules and history. Imagine chefs using the original buttermilk pancake recipe for years, perfecting their technique. Then, a group proposes bigger pancakes to serve more people, aiming for efficiency and larger portions. The whole kitchen must decide, a crucial moment of deliberation and consensus building. Stick with the old, or try the new. Embrace tradition, or venture into the unknown. In crypto, there's no single boss, just a community making decisions, often through complex voting mechanisms. If they can't agree, you end up with two different pancakes in the same kitchen, each with its own dedicated following. That's the real fork, a split that creates new possibilities, new versions, and potentially, entirely, new cryptocurrencies. There are two main types of forks, each serving a distinct purpose in the world of software development and beyond. Just like two ways to change a recipe, offering different paths to improvement and innovation. First up, the soft fork. Let's explore what makes it unique. This is a simple, optional update, a tweak that doesn't disrupt the fundamental structure, like adding a pinch of cinnamon to the batter, enhancing the flavor without drastically altering the recipe. It's a minor change. The pancake is still recognizable, retaining its core identity. Soft forks are backwards compatible, ensuring that older systems can still interact with the updated ones. Old recipes and new recipes can work together, maintaining a harmonious balance between tradition and progress. Chefs who want cinnamon can add it, embracing the new feature and experimenting with its possibilities. Those who don't, stick to the original, preferring the familiar and established methods. Both pancakes are accepted in the kitchen, coexisting peacefully and catering to different preferences. The change is subtle. It doesn't break the system, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition. In crypto, a soft fork is a small code change, a refinement that enhances functionality without causing major disruptions. Maybe making transactions more efficient, optimizing processes and improving overall performance. Computers that don't upgrade can still validate transactions from those that did, maintaining compatibility and preventing fragmentation. It's a gentle, democratic way to improve things, allowing for gradual adoption and community consensus. The new rule is optional, providing flexibility and empowering users to choose what works best for them. No drama, just a slightly different pancake for those who want it. A peaceful evolution rather than a disruptive revolution. Soft forks tighten the rules without forcing everyone to change, promoting a more secure and efficient system while respecting individual choices. The kitchen stays united, and life goes on, demonstrating the power of incremental improvements and collaborative development. Now the big one. The hard fork. This isn't a tweak, it's a total recipe overhaul. Imagine someone says, "Forget buttermilk, we're making chocolate chip pancakes and they're square." This change isn't optional or backwards compatible. The kitchen splits. One group makes square chocolate chip pancakes, the other sticks with round buttermilk. The original cookbook is copied, and now there are two separate cookbooks. This creates two different cryptocurrencies. Everyone who had the original coin now gets an equal amount of the new one. Sounds great, free pancakes. But now the community and resources are divided. A hard fork is a permanent split. The two blockchains will never be the same. It's a risky move, usually sparked by major disagreements. The result? Two separate projects, each with its own vision. It's a kitchen divorce. Two restaurants, two menus. Let's look at a real-life example. The famous Bitcoin hard fork of 2017. The Bitcoin community argued for years. Pancakes, blocks, were too small and slow. One group wanted bigger pancakes, blocks, proposing an increase from 1 MB to 8 MB. The other group worried this would exclude smaller chefs, users, and wanted a technical fix called SegWit. The debate couldn't be resolved. In August 2017, a hard fork happened. The bigger pancake group copied the Bitcoin cookbook and created Bitcoin Cash. Now, there were two cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Anyone holding Bitcoin before the split got an equal amount of Bitcoin Cash. The kitchen was divided. Two communities, two recipes. Both claimed to be the true path for digital cash. Sometimes the only solution is to start a new pancake stand across the street. There you have it. Crypto forks, explained with pancakes. The crypto world is a big kitchen always tweaking the recipe. The protocol is the shared set of rules. Sometimes the community wants a change. Enter the fork. Soft forks are gentle, backwards compatible tweaks. Everyone stays friends. Hard forks are dramatic splits. Two new recipes, two communities. Forks are part of crypto's DNA, allowing it to adapt and grow. Whether it's a tiny tweak or a total overhaul, forks keep things interesting. Next time you hear about a crypto fork, just picture chefs arguing over pancakes, and you'll know exactly what's cooking. Now, who wants syrup?